Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Stunning day. We're back combining, so we're going to show you some footage of that and also some baling in today's video. So hope you all enjoy it. Don't forget, if you do like the channel, tap the like, click subscribe. If you tap the little bell, you'll be notified of all the vids we put up every Wednesday and Sunday evening. So back combining, we're in the winter wheat stage here behind me. Chris is here from Home Farm Contractors in a Claas Avero 240. Cracking day, it's about 26 degrees, 27 degrees. Really pleased with the yield. We'll talk about that in a minute, but yeah, cracking stuff. Some really nice looking straw. So should get a lot of grain and hopefully a lot of straw. Let's flick it around and show you the combine. Yes, it's winter wheat, drilled on the 15th of October last year. Done okay, to be fair, considering all the weather. It's done pretty well. And yeah, it's good to be in cutting it now in the really nice hot day. Some really nice straw, it's really clean straw. Leave it today and then we'll get it baled into big squares tomorrow. I think we're getting hopefully around 1.5 tonne of Virgie, maybe a little bit more. We'll know when we finish the field, but yeah, really pleased how the yield's looking. Yeah, we'll just show you a few clips of the combine. You can see the reel at the front, that spins around, that feeds in the grains, so it takes the grains in. At the bottom, there's a cutter bar, and that's cutting it. It takes it through the front, separates it, takes the grain off the stalks, and then the stalks get thrown out the back. You can see that's where here it's thrashed all the grain out of there. There's no grain left. So you can see there, that's all empty, and this is all the stem, and this is what we call straw. Beforehand, you can see in the ear of the grain, where I crunched it all up, you can see all the grain, that's the grain there. And that's the machine, it goes through the combine, gets all thrashed about, and the grain is kept into the tank, and the straw all comes down to here. So it's here now, Callum is up there, he just got here with a round baler. We've loaded up, we managed to get all the bales up from the field we combined the other day where it was too wet and we had to leave them. The dry weather's meant they've all dried out, so we've picked all those up. Just now here, waiting to get all this winter wheat brown baled, then we'll get it all picked up, got the JCB, and then got the other couple of boys coming to help us. Will and Fando coming, and we'll get them all loaded up and put in the shed. So hopefully we'll show you some clips of us getting them all loaded up. But first up, we've got to get it all baled. You can see it's all the straw is still in the swath. As I said earlier on, this is all winter wheat. Really nice straw. The straw is used for bedding and also for cattle feed. So you can see now, just show you a bit of Callum in the 6130R, getting it baled with a McHale baler. Hopefully we'll get lots of nice round bales. Already got quite a few, so yeah, hopefully get a good amount. So in this clip here, you see we're just loading up all the bales. We've got the JCB, load them up onto the trailer. You can also see Callum finishing off with a round baler. He had a few issues with the tractor, some diesel issues, but all sorted. So yeah, get them all loaded up, and before the rain comes tonight, hopefully. Hope you all enjoyed that video. I say brilliant to get the combining done and get all the winter wheat in. We've got one more field of winter cereals, then we'll have a bit of a gap until we got all the spring stuff. But weather, again, it's 29 degrees today, beautiful day. So hopefully that's gonna make the other fields all move on quickly. Thanks for watching.